Last week, I published a video showing you how I made 5K in less than 14 days from a dropshipping store. But then VenGem7508 commented, and I wanted to thank you because it made me realize something. You guys want to see if dropshipping is guaranteed to work every time you put in the hard yards. I've decided that every month I'll start a new dropshipping store and record the process and results. I'm so excited. You'll find out how often it works, how often it fails, what sort of effort I'm putting into each store, so you know what to expect when you start one. That was so good. When I tried to start this store in 48 hours, I encountered a problem. How do I find a product quickly that actually sells? That's when I developed the 8-step product research checklist. You can find the process on how to do this in this video. It should pop up somewhere on the screen. And my favorite place to search for trending products is TikTok Trends, which you can access at this website. Links also in the description. You just sort by popularity and you click see details and you can literally see everything there. I had a lot of trouble with this. I scoured the TikTok Trends website and I found a bunch of products that were trending, but none of them could make me profit. For example, this pet clipper was trending. It fit 7 out of 8 points on my checklist, which is really, really good. But let me tell you a secret that most ecom owners don't talk about, and it fucking frustrates me. Advertising CPAs. CPA stands for cost per acquisition. In other words, how much money are you spending to acquire one customer? So if you're running meta ads, so Facebook and Instagram ads, you might be acquiring customers every, say, $30 you spend, for example. Now, I knew from previous experience that I needed to put this into my profit calculator. So I put in the product cost, the shipping cost, and I set a 15 USD cost per acquisition, which is estimated, of course. And profits were shit. My calculator helps you forecast how much money you'll make based on how much you spend on ads, and I could see that the results just didn't look good. That's when I realized my product checklist is really a 9-step checklist, not an 8. After hours and hours of work, I finally found a product that didn't just fit most of the criteria on the checklist, but that was also profitable in my calculator. I completed keyword and market research for my product to get a good idea of how to position my message and copy for my ads, landing page, and website. Link in the description on how to learn to do this for free. But I still had a lot of work to do. So I used ChatGPT to help me create the copy for my main product page, and I built out the copy for the rest of the website based on the pages I knew I would want. I connected my products to my store. This video here teaches you how to do that. I downloaded a zip file on my store and built my product page based on a winning template. I created my ads and copy, and I set my campaign live. Now, here's what my ad campaign and ads look like in the backend. Alright, so I've just published my campaign, $250 a day, put a $1,500 limit on it. All my ads are here. I basically repeated the same process for all the ads, and I named them in a way where they can be tracked back in this ad copy sheet. So like if I wanted to find Have Nice Nails ad 4, I could come straight here and look at Have Nice Nails ad 4. And then that would match up. The copy also matches up with exactly what's in there. So we'll see how this goes. I'm really fucking excited. Then I installed Hotjar on my website and I spent $1,500 on ads. Now, Hotjar recorded all of the users on my website. So as I watched where people were dropping off, I continuously changed my product page. This is a process known as conversion rate optimization, where you change elements on your landing page to improve conversion rate. As I spent money on ads, I started to get add to carts and initiate checkouts. So I started to play around with changing the price point to see how this would influence conversions and add to carts, and they increased. After spending $1,500 on ads, I got 2 purchases for $49.99 each, and there you have it. Just because I made 5K in that last store in the last video you watched, it didn't work this time around. In other words, even if you put in work and make it look fucking fantastic, and even if you have the same amount of knowledge I have in this space, it still might fail. So we're going to do this again. And after doing this maybe 20 times, I feel like we'll have a good failure rate percentage. Let me know if you have any questions. Peace out.